Game. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome. Welcome back to the Top Gear Philippines podcast. And today we are going to give you some updates from our last episode. Because last time, we were wondering if my visa would make it to Tokyo Auto Salon. Well, Tokyo Auto Salon is done. And good news, we made it. And we're finally back. And today, we're going to talk you through just some of what we went through that week. And we have our special guest here. He's overthrown our EIC. We have Charles here. Dinzo is gone for this episode.
Bye. Goodbye.
Alright, so I guess this task special will start with a recap from day 0.
Well, day 0,
to
so you
day
didn't have a
5.
visa.
Yeah.
Day -1, wala akong visa. That was the last podcast.
So how many hours before the flight did you get your visa?
Before the flight? Like 14 hours?
10 hours.
10 hours.
6 a.m. yung flight natin.
6 a.m. ba yung flight natin? 13 hours.
13 hours naman pala.
Naman.
More than enough time.
Kapit lang. Thank you, UHI, for delivering. But, yes, so we made it. And so, we started off Tokyo Auto Salon. Medyo chill lang that week. So, we got there and wala pa namang ganap. Kasi we arrived the day before day 1 of TAS. But there was already an opening car meet at Tokyo Bay.
Tokyo Bay Circuit.
The meet at Tokyo Bay was medyo epic na. It was a taste of what was to come. So we went there and there were a lot of cars that showed up.
Wait, so this kind of meet, was it organized by someone or yung...
Or they just went there and said, hey, let's go here.
It was an organized meet, although we weren't able to talk to the organizers that day kasi we're not sure who...
Lowdown. It's a lowdown.
Ay, lowdown. Yeah. Oo nga, lowdown. It was a lowdown meet and hindi super dami ng cars but the selection was awesome. It was great.
How many cars are we talking about?
Easy 50.
50, yeah.
Easy 50, pero curated.
Pagdating pa lang namin doon, yung una namin nakita, wide body S2K, pulling up, yeah. Tapos, pagbaba namin ng elevator, kasi galing sa sa train station, kita mo na agad doon Tapos, pagbaba namin ng elevator, pagbukas namin, Midnight Purple, R34 GTR.
Tapos may Bayside Blue na R34, dun sa pagpasok mo pa lang, Bayside Blue R34, may A80 na may katabing A90
and a couple of NSXs.
That's
probably like $1 billion yen meet, right?
Tapos meron pang may mga Ferraris and Lambos pa here and there. But what really struck us was where JDM legends talaga. I think you have some photos there. Just check it out.
Yeah.
Buksan mo pa yung iba. I can't quite remember anymore sa dami na nangyayari. But there was Paul Walker R34 which was also pretty nice.
Yeah.
Linis nun. RX-7. Yeah. So, nung araw na yan, we had no idea that it was literally a glimpse of what was gonna happen that week because all week, we saw so many S2Ks, NSXs, RX-7s and RX-8s, R34s, R33s, R32s. Wild talaga. As in, we've all been to Tokyo. But Charles and I, this was our first time to go to Tokyo during Auto Salon Week. And they've all been saying, people who have gone there have been telling us that it's different pag Tokyo Auto Salon Week. And my God, it really is. All the cars are out. Andun sila lahat. Intense. As in, parang akala na namin nung first day, melting pot to ng JDM. Kasi there was also a portion during the lowdown meet. Ayan, you have the photo. Parang parang Holy Grail. Ayan you have an NSX, you have an A80. What are the two cars? There's
RX-7.
There's an RX-7. R34. So, parang the holy grails of each of the brands, they were all there parked.
So basically, it was literally Gran Turismo 1.
Yeah.
Yes, but that's just the pre-show? So how was the show itself?
So after that, day 1 na kami. Sorry. Before we went to TAS, we got a Nissan Ariya. Nissan lent us through Nissan HQ. Went to Yokohama, got an Ariya mismo, and drove back to Makuhari Messe in Chiba. And we were supposed to go right to the show kasi magsa-start na yung public day. Charles and I got stuck at the parking lot for more than an hour because there were so many cars in the parking lot. Insane. Parang siyang car show. Na one of the learnings from that one was go to Makuhari Messe first thing in the morning sa day 1 ng Tokyo Auto Salon. Just wait by the gate. Car spotting galore. Like, tignan nyo. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen this. Check it out. sobrang dami. As in, GTRs as far as the eye can see. Sobrang daming Supra, sobrang
I saw some
daming
RWBs.
S2Ks, some
Liberty
RWBs.
Walks.
Liberty Walks were parked right there. Wala
Si
lang.
Aaron naka-Liberty Walk t-shirt.
Oo nga.
Pero
sobrang
wild.
intense.
Okay.
Na, yun nga, we got stuck there. We were shooting shooting videos and photos. So eventually, we made our way to Auto Salon, which was also as overwhelming as the parking lot. Kasi, like, ang saya kasi ang daming Pinoy, di ba?
Sobrang daming
Pinoy.
kabayan.
Yeah.
People just go there to shop. And we had no idea na ganun. Akala namin like, siguro aftermarket parts, ganun, mga brands andun. Pero yung merch that you can actually take home, yung alam mo yung hindi gulong, hindi mags, hindi suspension or exhaust, yung mga laruan, yung mga diecasts, yung mga kung ano-anong small things there. Sobrang dami din palang tinda.
So my question for you is, what did you buy?
Well, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, but I bought a genuine Tomica sticker. Wala akong pera eh. I bought a Tomica sticker for like, kano ba yun? 500 yen. Carlo, if you go there, I'm telling you, if you go there, bring money. Good luck.
I think
Isang check-in baggage.
that doesn't sound like the best financial advice.
But it's fun.
I know.
But it's
I
fun.
know.
But yung Tokyo Auto Salon itself, ang daming, yung all of the brands and the aftermarket brands and all that we've been writing about, we've been seeing over the years, nakita namin dun. Like, ang bumati sa atin was Modelista.
Toyota, yeah.
Yeah, which was really cool. Kasi Modelista stories do well for us for some reason. Gusto
Because
ng mga
they're
tao
cool.
yun eh. They're cool.
They're cool.
And they're Toyotas. Tapos tabi nun, Jaos was there, which also is a very popular brand.
So
among
did you ask
Pinoys.
someone how to pronounce it?
No. Ang sasabihin lang nila, Jaos.
Pero talaga sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. Kasi sobrang laki din ng halls.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba, we've been to JMS eh. Pero yung JMS, chill.
Chill,
Parang
kasi everyone's medyo
And
Yeah.
it's
brands.
and with JMS, it's more okay. At this time, it's this brand that's
May
coming
schedule.
out. With Auto Salon, it's like bang, ito lahat.
Yeah.
Oh, parang I feel like meron naman yatang schedule for some launches, but for the most part, ganun siya. And apart from that, may mga naka-display din na random na wala sa booth. Diba? Yung mga parang mga yung mga nagko-compete sa Best in Show or what.
Yeah,
Naka-display lang all around Makuhari Messe. So, lalakad ka lang, tapos makita mo, may mga RX-7. Tapos if you take a closer look, like, oh my God, ang wild pala nito. Tapos may nakita akong NSX pagtingin ko, Honda Beat pala to eh. Like small NSX. Like, sobrang lupit. As in, just going there, one whole day mag-iikot ka lang. If you love cars, iba yung Tokyo Auto Salon. Tapos isipin mo, may Autobox na booth, diba? Like, talagang pupunta ka doon para gumastos. Yun yung na-realize namin. Kasi we were there to shoot content. If you see the video, if you've seen our video on YouTube, but everyone else was there to spend.
Yeah. We had friends who were there. Sina JC from SCP were there.
Yeah, we saw the SCP guys.
Yeah.
Ang dami nilang paper bag. Intense. Lahat sila may Liberty Walk na paper bag.
So,
Tapos kami ingit na ingit. Parang, wala akong pambili.
So right there, basically, you're already helping the economy of Japan.
Yes. Very much.
Support Japan.
So if you were going to highlight your favorite booth in Tokyo Auto Salon, day one, what was it? What would it be?
Hirap naman. I like the race booth.
The what
Ganda
booth?
eh.
Maganda.
The
Race
wheels.
engineering.
I like the booth. Ang ganda. As in, may mga naka-display na kotse dun with the race wheels, and it's really nice. Saka yung what's this underrated brand na gulong? Yung may puro sanggoy sa loob.
Oh.
TWS.
Yeah.
Ang ganda din
You mean
ito. Like,
TSW?
No, TWS.
TWS? Oh.
Like, ang gaganda ng gulong nila. Sabi nga kay Chess, parang, I don't see this much in the Philippines, dude. And, okay din. Sobrang daming brands din doon na first time ko makita. Tapos magugulat ka na, ang ganda nito. Pero sadly, wala sa Pilipinas masyado or hindi sila sikat sa atin. But they have their own booth at JMS, at TAS, which means they're kind of big in Japan.
Yeah. You get a booth in TAS, you're a pretty
Yeah.
big deal already.
Well, there was also the Honda booth, which was really cool. Laki. Kasi they had the classic F1 car there, and the RB21 ata.
R272,
Okay.
the old F1 car, yeah.
And the Nissan booth was also cool. They had
How many
sorry.
GTRs did they have?
They had the R32 EV.
Oh, okay.
We didn't hear it.
Well,
Because you can't.
You won't. There was a sound, supposedly simulated na sound.
Yeah.
Tapos naka-plug in siya. It was really weird to see. And a lot of people are angry about it on social media. Ako naman, I told this, I said this to Ina of Nissan Philippines na medyo sacrilegious talaga yung dating.
Yeah, but I think that's the whole point of it, diba?
Kasi they didn't even make a new body for it. Like, new interior for it.
Or they didn't get like a regular R32 and they got a real GTR.
Yeah, they got a real
and they
GTR.
got it
They should have
talaga.
just gotten a Skyline GTS, diba? Tapos yun na lang ginawa nila.
Yeah,
But
But it would have nobody would have cared about
tapos
it.
diba ang pangit ng loob? Parang
Yeah, yeah.
plastic na ewan na... Kasi you have to take out some parts and you have to replace them. And since, ewan ko, it looked like a...
It came from Leaf batteries.
Parang siyang college project, dude. yung finish niya, it felt like so. I mean, again, I didn't hear it, I didn't drive it, I don't know if it's actually a good EV. But at the end of the day, this is Tokyo Auto Salon we're talking about. It's car culture at its best. And you have an electrified GTR. What are the people gonna say? What do you expect, diba?
Yeah.
Like, that's what you're thinking.
Well,
Just putting it there.
speaking of the cars that were there, so aside from the very controversial R32 EV, so because what I noticed was TAS is also becoming like a launch venue for even the major manufacturers. So the Prelude you guys saw in
Yeah.
the flesh already, in the metal.
Yeah. And the Yaris, the hydrogen powered Toyotas, parang what I've noticed is they have the mass market cars or mass market performance cars. They use Auto Salon to highlight them there as well.
Yeah.
I mean, the Prelude is probably not gonna be like a performance car, but it's hopefully gonna be a fun one. So parang that's what manufacturers are doing. Not just JMS, kasi JMS you're gonna be there with everyone eh.
Yeah.
At Tokyo Auto Salon, you're gonna be there with the car enthusiasts talaga.
Yes.
So it's a nice time to highlight your models. Parang sa Mitsubishi, they have the Rally Arts over there. Although there wasn't exactly anything new at Mitsubishi, like super new.
Well, there was the Triton DJ booth.
Yeah. But yun, so parang that's what they're doing. They're putting more attention to it. Kasi hindi ganun kadami yung brands. Of course, Mazda was also there with their Auto XC parts,
Yeah.
which is also cool. Pero yun, just as you said, they're using it as a platform to launch a lot of models and a lot of accessories.
And I guess it's their way of say, hey, we're fun, hip, and cool too. We're not just there for the balance sheets.
Yeah, that's true.
But okay, but what about the like the concepts and prototypes you saw there? Like the mid-engine GR Yaris was pretty interesting.
Actually,
Masyado na silang na-overwhelm.
masyado na kami na-overwhelmed. If you watched our video, hindi namin naikutan yung GR Yaris for the video. But I read about it, and yes, that's also something very interesting. Sadly, we didn't go there. If you watched the video, we didn't go there. We only got to siguro 60-70% of Tokyo Auto Salon. We started from one side and ended on the other. Pero hindi namin na-cover one by one yung booth. Ganun kadami nangyayari.
I think you're gonna need like 2 days just to soak everything
If
up.
you want to shoot everything, you need 2 days.
Yeah.
That's also something we learned. That's why if we're gonna go back next time, we're gonna do more than a day probably. Like what we do at Bangkok Motor Show, which you guys are gonna go to soon. But yun, it's really a big event. Kasi sa JMS, what's different is during Japan Mobility Show or then TMS, there are multiple people from publications like iba't ibang tao from Top Gear representing different brands. So we're all shooting content there.
Yeah.
In our case, dalawa lang kami.
To shoot everything.
And of course, hindi naman kami robot na dadaan kami sa isang magandang booth and we're just gonna go by, di ba? Siyempre, titingin kami. Siyempre, makikita kayo Liberty Walk booth, titingin kami ng merch na hindi naman namin kaya bilhin, di ba?
Bibili ng Tomica sticker.
Who buys a shirt for that much money?
Well,
Just
apparently a lot of
Aaron.
Aaron does. He has a Liberty Walk shirt. But yes.
Okay, so you're speaking of talking about day 2. Was there anything happened after TAS?
After TAS, that night, we went to the Peaches meet.
Okay.
The Peaches 1 meet. And one thing we learned with Japanese car meets, if they say it's 8 to 10, oh my god, it's 8 to 10. They don't extend. As in, they don't extend talaga. Kasi na-late kami ng konti and we got stuck in traffic na papunta sa parking lot.
Yeah.
So, nung nakita namin, sakto nag-exit yung mga cars. So, we still got to see everything. But, if they say they're leaving at 10, wala pang 10. Paalis na sila. 9:30 pa lang paalis na sila.
Like, dapat parang 10, clear na yung venue.
Kasi, ang problema, they moved. They moved to Umihotaru, which we didn't go to kasi it's too cold. As in, mamamatay kami sa lamig doon. It's a parking lot in the middle of the ocean. So, you wouldn't want to go there. But, if they say it's up to this point, maaga pa lang umaalis sila kasi the cops are strict. Pag nahuli sila doon, they really have to eskapo ka na kaagad. So, that's an interesting thing about car meets. Kasi sa atin kasi, dito sa Philippines,
Parang
hanggang
tambay
sawa,
all you want.
sawa eh. Oh.
Yeah.
If they rented the place until 1 and they say it's until like 11 lang yung meet, if you're not getting kicked out, you can still stay and just pay the parking fee or whatever. Dun sa nila, sobrang discipline. But, intense.
Pero siguro yun yung maganda rin sa Japanese culture. Parang yung car culture nila. Mahilig sila sa meets. Pero sobrang organized. Tapos ang bilis lang. Tapos if they leave one area, lilipat sila. Pero
tapos nag-share lang sila na
ang bilis
punta
lang.
tayo dito. That's the thing. They have to keep moving. Even if gano'n na malaki yung organized na meet. And we were told, yung Peaches one, when they say na may ganitong meet, madami talagang pupunta. Especially if in-endorse ni Sarah Choi, diba? Yun yung sinasabi. And that's what happened. So, nung meet na yun, medyo intense yung mga kotse. Like, what I remember seeing was yung blue na NSX.
Yeah. Tapos ano pa, parang US version pa kasi Targa.
Targa na blue na NSX. Sobrang wild. But that was really fun. Tapos after that, I guess, on to the next few days, another highlight of our trip was you went to Daikanyama. The Daikanyama Garage.
For those who don't know, that's the classic parking lot.
Yeah,
diba?
yung it's the parking lot where the hot cars go to.
No, it's the Daikoku.
You said
Daikanyama.
Daikanyama, yeah.
Daikanyama, parang ano siya, parang siyang high street. Diba? Parang high street siya, pero as in, pumunta kami sa parking lot, sobrang mahal ng parking fees. Buti na lang, when we went there, it was a Sunday, so free parking sa kalsada. Kasi, Diyos ko po, sobrang mahal ng parking.
Okay,
How
so
much
how
are we
much?
talking about? Yeah.
Malala. As in, if we were to stay there the whole day, thousands of pesos yung babayaran namin.
Parang
more than 1,000.
5,000 yen yata
Oh, as in,
for
malala.
a few hours.
Wow.
Charles and I paid so much for parking. That's also one thing we learned in Japan. Ang mahal ng parking. We take it
The
for
EO doesn't
granted.
look so bad anymore, does
Yes,
it?
with BGC looks good. As in, 150 per day. Sige, ito na, take my money. Sobrang mura ng parking dito compared to there. Pero yun, when we were at Daikanyama, the Daikanyama Garage event was a collab between Daikanyama Garage and Carrera Showroom and Carbon Detailing Studio. So, they had the 935 race car concept there. It's the wild white one na won Best in Show Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 last year. Tapos it was on display there. And actually medyo overwhelming yung kotse. Lupit how they built the car. Tapos they also had, which was pretty cool, the idea was to bring Filipino car culture to Japan. So they also had merch, of course, from Carrera, Carbon, and Buzz Hype. And they also had tidbits of Philippine motorsport history. They had a display of yung mga historical moments sa Philippine motorsports. Tapos, they had talks all throughout the weekend. Yung mga nagkukwentuhan, gano'n. They had discussions. And we were told that the day before we went, almost 200 people throughout the day came and went, Pinoys. Pumunta sila just to see what was happening. And in my story, I remember I said, medyo crazy talaga yung mga Pinoy about cars. Kasi, pumunta sila ng Tokyo for Tokyo Auto Salon. Then they heard na, may something sa Daikanyama, daan tayo. And to be fair, it's not like it was a car meet, na ang dami mong makikita. It was just a place where enthusiasts could gather and just talk about cars. And yun nga, parang it was nice to see a piece of our car culture over there. And we were told that the next ones are gonna be bigger. Kasi parang first try lang naman to eh. Which was pretty cool. Kasi ang saya din eh, like, ang dami makikita mga kabayan doon just talking about cars. And what the best part was, the Daikanyama Garage is nandun sa location na sobrang dami magandang kotse. As in,
It's like one of their affluent areas.
sobra. nakatingin ka lang sa labas kung ano-ano dumadaan. As in, intense. Hindi na namin nakukunan kasi nagkukwentuhan lang kami tapos bigla may dadaan na rare na kotse na hindi mo makikita sa
What's the
Pilipinas.
rarest one that we saw?
Ikaw?
Parang may nakita tayong Dino.
Mm.
Ferrari Dino.
Yeah.
Pero dumaan lang eh. Kasi yun nga eh, parang padaan-daan lang around the area.
Tapos the owner of the Daikanyama garage also had this building na yung parking lot na building sa Japan. Yung may rotating na kotse.
Yeah.
Did you try it?
He had some of his cars over there. Although yung main collection niya was at the basement somewhere down the road. But the building was his. And he had a few nice cars over there. May mga... Yung the very first Alpha was there.
Oh.
There was a 2000 GT. Tapos there were a few more other hot cars. Talagang affluent nga talaga kung affluent yung area. Like, intense. Sobrang wild. Iba talaga. And I feel like even if outside of Tokyo Auto Salon Week, ganun dun
Every weekend.
So parang if anyone's going back to Japan and you have the chance, go there. May Shake Shack doon if naghahanap kayo ng kakainan. Go there. Tapos, ayun. Tambay lang kayo doon one whole Sunday. Of course, you can go to Daikoku on Sunday morning, which is the go-to place.
Yeah, but if you bring your car, be prepared na lang to pay 5,000.
Hindi, sa Daikoku hindi ganun kamahal. Sa Daikoku mismo.
Oh, but
It's the
Daikoku, the
regular
problem
PA.
is you were saying kanina na you can only go there if you have a car.
Yes. Kasi we thought Daikoku was somewhere like you can take the train, tas lakad ka. But unfortunately, think gas station sa expressway. You can only get there by car. Pwede ka mag-commute siguro, sure, but the bus isn't gonna stop there. So, you have to bring your own car.
So, talon na lang from the bus.
Yeah. Tapos hanap ka na ng hitch on the way home.
Right.
Pero ang maganda dun, if you have your own car nga, and you can go there, ang laki ng Daikoku. Like, abundant siya sa parking spaces. And the Japanese are very, very disciplined. Even sa ganong regular na tambayan. Disiplinado sila. Hindi sila yung kung saan bumabalandra, ganon. Like, di ba nung papunta tayo, may mga parts na may harang. So, pupunta sila dun sa next available. Sila, nakapila sila, sunod-sunod. It was really cool. Although we weren't there on a Sunday morning kasi nga we were elsewhere.
Saka the thing is, sinasara pala nila yun. Pagka feel nilang maraming pupunta, they close it.
Oh.
Kaya nagpupunta sila dito sa may Meiji Jingo Avenue.
Okay. Looks like a interesting trip. So, if anyone wants to read more stuff about it or see the videos, they're available on our socials and our website and also on YouTube.
We also have a video of all these, everything that happened that week, apart from the stuff we talked about today. Now we will have out soon. That's gonna be fun. Kasi we also chased a few car meets there. We went to some top secret car meets that we weren't supposed to see, but we were able to go. So we have footage of them there. It was really a fun experience. So parang Charles and I were saying, this is a pilgrimage every car enthusiast must go through. Wala ka naman sasabihin, Charles. Masyado ka naman na-overwhelm or...
Sobrang na-overwhelm.
Yung
Hanggang
first timer.
ngayon, bigla ko naalala yung mga pinagdaanan natin sa
Actually,
Auto Salon.
core memory. Tapos parang pag tinatry mo i-trace back sa utak mo, hirap.
Papangiti na lang. Parang ako
Hashtag blessed. Thank you for sending us. We'll have more content out soon. We promise.
Dapat lang. But yeah,
it was
sige.
fun.
So, the videos should be up, I think, about the time that this podcast goes up. No? Just let me know, Chelsea.
Same week.
Delete ko yung podcast na to, just for that.
No. No need.
Okay. So, thank you for joining us. Quick recap lang. I'm sure there's more to talk about, but you can go through our socials and website to see everything else. But yeah, seems like something that we'd want to do also in the future.
Next year, let's go, guys. Top Gear Excursion.
Top Gear Excursion. Yun wala na tayong Christmas party. Wala
Top
na
Gear
tayong
Auto
summer.
Salon.
Actually, oo, boss.
Taas is Top
Wag na
Gear
tayo
Auto
mag-Christmas
Salon.
Wala
party.
tayo Christmas party. TGP Auto Salon.
Top Gear
Katas mo
Auto
na lang sa
Salon.
sweldo ni Charles.
Alright. See you guys.
See you guys.